In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products without a website with my easy and simple to use free traffic hack.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no.
Alright guys, so let's get right into it. Now if we step behind the laptop here, we're going to go ahead and look, and this is assuming that you guys already have a Clickbank account, right? As soon as you create the account, you're simply going to go to the marketplace, and the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and find a compelling offer, right? An offer that converts, that has the right profit margins, and something that we're actually going to be able to use this method with, right? And we're going to get into it in a second, right? But the first thing is we need an offer. So what I'll recommend is finding one within the three biggest niches, which is health, wealth, and romance, right? So in this specific training, right, we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to create, how to promote Clickbank products without a website. So one of the easiest ones to promote would be weight loss, right? So I'll go to health and fitness. And in a second, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my secret traffic strategy. So make sure you guys stay tuned, right? So the first thing that we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and look at the gravity score. Now what the gravity score is simply, right, if you look here, that means 268 people have gotten a sale within the last week. So that means this is a really good offer. So what I would do, right, and you don't have to always do the first video. You guys can actually look to see which offer works best for you. You just want to make sure that there is a really high gravity score. So what I'm going to do is simply press promote, right? And if you want to look at the offer before you decide to promote it, right, you can actually just click the title and it will show you the actual offer. So boom, this looks good. They sell it for $37. So they pay you guys a commission. The average commission is about $26, right? So what we would do is simply go ahead and create our link, but what they're gonna do is give us this long, ugly, spammy link, right? So what you can use is something called tinyurl or bit.ly, right? I prefer bit.ly. What you do is go ahead and create a link, go to bit.ly, bit.ly.com, and then you're gonna paste the long URL, right? Now the reason why we're doing this is because we want to make it more clickable. And what's pretty cool is with bit.ly, you can actually make it look a little bit more attractive. So let's just say weight loss hack, maybe fast weight loss hack. Boom. So now here's my link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, right? And I'm going to go ahead and put it in my notepads, right? So now we have the actual link. Now what we have to do is we have to get traffic. Now here's the thing, what is the YouTube, right? YouTube is the secret hack, guys. Now why is it the secret hack? Two things. Number one is Google and YouTube are the top search engines in the world, right? And what's pretty cool is sometimes when you come across Google, if I was to go to Google, right, and I was to search for a problem, let's just say how to lose weight, what happens is a lot of the times, right, if you notice here, videos, these are YouTube videos. So a lot of the time, some of the top search results are YouTube videos, right? So the thing with YouTube, how we're gonna go ahead and actually get traffic, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in a second, right? But the first thing is we're gonna go ahead and type in the problem of the problem that my actual offer, my Clickbank offer is going to solve. So what is the problem, right? I obviously want to lose weight if I'm going to buy a weight loss product, right? So lose weight is the actual keyword. But what you can do is, if you say, what would I be searching? How to lose weight. Lose weight. So let's just click the first one, how to lose weight fast, but you can click any of these, right? And then the objective, guys, is if you look at all these videos, we're gonna try to steal some of the traffic. What I mean by steal is partner with these YouTube influencers and get our links. If you notice here, right, links in the description, right? So here's an example. Nicole, that I have no idea who she is, but she posted a video 3 months ago and she already has 902,000 views. So if we do the math, that's about 300,000 views per month. So imagine if we were to go ahead and get a small percentage of that. Imagine how much money we could get if we could get some of that traffic, right? So what we would do, right, is the title is How to Lose Weight Fast for Teenagers. So I'm gonna write that down. How to lose weight fast for teenagers, right? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna go ahead and click the video. Then I'm gonna click Nicoletta, right? And usually what happens is, if you go to the About section, you can usually contact them. So if you look here for business inquiries, X, she has our email, right? So what I'm gonna do is simply copy this email, then I'm gonna reach out to her, right? I don't know why it's acting crazy. Okay, so what I would do is simply, and guys, I mean, I could go over this over and over and over again, right? To where if we look at different options, we can just do this for as many videos as we want, right? We're simply gonna go ahead and go to Gmail, right? And I'm gonna type in Nicoletta, right, the email. And then what I'm simply gonna do is I'm gonna use this copy paste message, right? Body text, paste it, and then right here, because it simply says business inquiries, right? So I'm gonna title it business inquiry. So the reason why I copied the title, right? How to lose weight. Must have spelled that wrong. So, how to lose weight for teenagers, right? So, if we look here, we're gonna insert the title. So, we're gonna delete this. And now what I'm gonna send is a message saying, hey, I love your YouTube content, recently stumbled across your video, how to lose weight for teenagers fast, for teenagers. Great video, so I love complimenting. And then I've been trying to increase my website traffic to improve my Google rankings, right? I'd be willing to pay $20 if you could put my website link in your description. Hope to hear from you soon. Boom, send it to her. What's gonna happen is, right, I'm gonna continue to go down YouTube and then go to their About section, go to the business inquiries, get their emails, and I'm gonna go to reach out to them. Once I reach out to them, I'm gonna give them my link, and what's gonna happen is, once I give them my link, right, I'm gonna be driving traffic to this link that I just created, right, weight loss hacks. And you get a ridiculous amount of money. I've made so much money from this actual method, right? Now with Clickbank products or any type of products. Now with that being said, guys, YouTube is the second most largest search engine in the world. So if you guys aren't leveraging this, that's an issue. And a lot of people are like, well, I don't have a big YouTube account. Cool, leverage these people who have the traffic already going to their videos, reach out to them, give them your link, drive traffic to your link, and cash freaking out. Now, if you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, because I do create content on how to live a life of time, location, and financial freedom by promoting things online as a digital marketer. And if you guys want access to my inner circle, right? I do actually have access to one of the first links within the description. You guys can get access to my inner circle, to where there's way more in depth of training. And number two, if you guys want access to my #1 recommended way to make money online, right? Even more than Clickbank products, right? Yes, I do promote Clickbank products, but even more than Clickbank products, way bigger profit margins. You guys can actually use the same method for that. It'll be the first link in the description, right? Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah.
Big head on the rim.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.